Welcome to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Upwork account in some very easy steps. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Google Chrome. Firstly, you have to open your Google Chrome and search Upwork. Click on the first option that pops up after searching Upwork. It will lead you to this tab of Upwork. Step 2. Log in. Now, you have to click on the login option here and enter your email address in this box given here. Just simply click to continue with the email option. After clicking the continue button, it will give you this option. You just simply have to tap on the forgot password button. Upwork will lead you to the update your password tab. You just have to tick the I'm not a robot box and send the email option. It will send an email to your email address which you just provided in the box before. After checking the mailbox, Upwork sends you an email in your mailbox. Step 3. Update your password. After clicking the update password link from the mail that you received from Upwork, it will lead you to this profile, and it will ask for a security question for you. You just simply have to enter the security question's answer and click the next button. Then, Upwork will give you the option to set the new password. You just simply have to set up a new password and re-enter the same password in the box down below. But remember, the password must be longer than 8 characters, which can include numbers and signs. Shortly after entering your password, just click the Update Password button, and you have successfully recovered your Upwork account. Now, you can log into your Upwork account using the email address and your new password. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, make sure to give a thumbs up. We'll keep making this kind of helpful content for you in the future, so make sure to subscribe to never miss another update from this channel. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in another video.